Alright YouTube, so right here, this is the extreme basic how to do a taper video. So if you've never cut hair before or you're confused with other tutorials on YouTube, this is ground zero. So when you're starting a back taper, you're gonna need a trimmer, you're gonna need a shaver, you're gonna need a clipper with a lever. So in the back, we're gonna use our shaver, our trimmer right now. We're gonna create a guideline about 1 inch up, ½ inch, depending on how much hair they have. I have other tutorials with haircuts, so you can check different haircuts. Shaver on the bottom. So basically, the trimmer will leave a little bit of hair. This will take out the little bit of hair that the trimmer left behind it. This will make it skin smooth, so the haircut will last a little bit. You can use a wall shaver and a shaver, bronze shaver. Now, to take out the shaver line, you're gonna go back to the trimmer. So the trimmer is a 5-0, so that's the level of closeness it is. And a clipper is generally a 3-0. You can zero gap it a little bit more, but this is just to get the lines out video, just the basics. So you take out that shaver line with the trimmer. As you can see with this haircut right now, the line is gone. You just flick in there. Now you take your clipper, close it all the way up, and you create another area. I don't know, guideline area, and you want to go up. Depending on how much hair is on the haircut, if he has a lot of hair, you're gonna, make smaller steps. But I have other videos. You can check my channel on haircuts and different styles that the people had. So back to this. So you're now gonna open the clipper all the way up, and you're gonna take out that 3-0 line. You're gonna open the lever, shut the lever, play with the lever back and forth, just so that you get out that 3-0 line and connecting everything all together. Now he has like a 1 on the side, so this was like the perfect canvas to just show how to do it without throwing too many guards on there. So this is a half guard. They have a 1 guard, 2 guard, but a half guard and a 1 guard. And since this hair is short, we're just pretty much going gradiently. Now I'm pulling the skin, and I'm taking the trimmer, and I'm just taking any detail work out. Now to do a side taper, same basic principles. Trimmer first, then you're gonna remove that line with the shaver, and you're gonna go back with the trimmer again and remove the shaver line, because if you use a shaver right there, you're gonna create a real bald area, and it's gonna be kind of hard to get out. So you go back to your trimmer before you go to your clipper. And how you flick and all that is important. You'll get the idea. You got to cut a lot of hair to figure it out. Use the corners of the blade. Don't push as hard in as you can. Let the machines do the work for you. And now you got the 3-0 on here, the clipper all the way closed, and that's how you're gonna start your taper. Use the corner of the blade. If you're doing a little detail area, you just use the corner, and you're not gonna take as much hair off, and you're not gonna create as big of a line. So just something to keep in mind. Take your time. I've been cutting well over 10 years, and you never get done learning. But I had this canvas. This is my buddy right here. He's actually a barber. He gets his hair cut like every 3 days, so that's why probably about 6-7 years ago, there was a lot of haircuts like this. Now it's a lot of shear work, a lot more hair, a lot of beards. But yeah, this was the thing to do 5, 6, 7 years ago. You know, after the faux hawk, before the comb over, it'd be like a 3 on top with a skin fade, you know, or a skin taper. So this is a haircut you'll do forever. So yeah, pretty much if you're just starting out, and hopefully I explained stuff well. Hopefully the canvas was good. I didn't want too much hair, too many clips, anything like that. You'll be if you're in barber school, you can rewind this. If you're cutting at the house for extra money, if this helped at all, I was just trying to be as simplified as possible. So it's my simplified cut. Now you got your trimmer to just do a little detail on the edge right there. This was pretty much a video I wanted to do since the pandemic, and I finally got around to doing it because I don't know how many people were allowed to go to barber school and stuff like that. And some of the haircuts are on, you know, on YouTube are sped up so fast, and you know, maybe I just wanted to get in there with something that is super easy for people to first grasp, so they're not intimidated just starting out. So if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. I have plenty of full haircut tutorials on the channel, different hair types, beards, lineups, everything. This is just an introduction to like a skin taper. So if you guys found any what's the word I'm looking for, anything of value in here, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share it to somebody. If you know someone who's just starting out and you stumbled across this video, you can always share it to somebody, and hopefully this will keep people from being stressed out when they start cutting. Because I remember when I first started cutting hair, it's a little bit stressful. You don't want to mess someone's haircut up, and this is just like how to get these tools to work for you in order, and what you do next, so you have some type of a game plan. Anyhow, this is Adrian. I'm out of here. It's the first time I put my face on the video. Hopefully I'll be able to edit it in there. So yep, thank you to all my subscribers. This is probably not really for people that are already on the channel, but just appreciate what I'm trying to do here. Keep it positive during COVID, and take care, guys.